My name is Liam Kay, and today it is bonfire night! Yay! Right, Olivia?
Yeah.
Yes, and there are so many fireworks outside. Yeah, and we have been to a bonfire with Daddy, Olivia, and Harry. Yeah, he's crying because. Yeah.
He's not anymore.
No. Now, Nanny Linda went with us. Yeah, after we went to there. Yeah, and we took her home. Get chicken, rice, and salt and pepper. Went there, have a wee, get treats, run Nanny Linda's, and we went home, and that's what I made. I have made a 14 seconds video, yeah, of my bonfire, and they're still out. Yep, that's true. They're still out. Yep.
It's true though.
Oh yeah. THOUGH. That's how you spell dough. Yeah, like it's true though. Like, alright, Olivia? Yeah. Yeah, I made a 14 seconds video.
Wait, how do you spell it again?
THOUGH. Oh, I can't remember. Try and spell it. In your head, like I said. It's outside. You can see the half of the fireworks. Big, aren't they? I'm gonna see some more. Yeah, when I end the video. Yes, like a normal person. I've been to school today, learn about the activity of fireworks. Yesterday, bonfire. And I did an intro and outro of it. Yeah, go check that out right now. Good. Olivia call it the spinning Winnie. Daddy call it the Catherine wheel. It's normal. Yeah, we recorded that. And bonfire. Yeah, with old stuff burning. They need to collect the hedgehogs. Yeah, if they are, get them out. Yeah, or else they'll burn and die to ashes. Yeah, I did that on my sheet. 2. Yeah, 1 in school, 1 in home. Yes, 1 in school, 1 in home. Yes. Every year, London and I got covered by fireworks. Yeah, and they said, Big Ben counted. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Happy New Year! I'll do that video of 2021. Stay tuned for that. Yeah.
There's Harry's bottle.
Yeah. Right now, Olivia's watching TikToks. Right, Olivia?
Yeah.
Cool. But anyways, here's the 14 seconds clip of me at the bonfire party. Yeah. With loads of fireworks and the Catherine wheel. Yeah, and the bonfire there. Here it is. It's fireworks! Fireworks are cool. Winnie! Fireworks over there. Burning. Okay guys, look at the fireworks. You know, Mummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so cool. They're big.
Stand in the front garden and get it.
Any fireworks? I can hear them. Oh, I can hear them. I can hear them, but I don't see them. It's dark time. But it's bonfire night, the 5th of November. I seen the Catherine wheel. It does spinning, and I saw the bonfire. I saw one right over there, but I accidentally didn't record it. Daddy's going. You can hear that. But I'm looking for fireworks. Bye, Daddy. See you tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. This is Daddy's car. There's pumpkins all over it. Okay. Oh, I can see one. Oh, I see a firework. There's one. It was right over there. Now Daddy's gone. Yeah, I love him and Mummy. Oh, rest in peace, Olivia's pumpkin. And Toby's. That's Harry's pumpkin. Yeah, I've been to school today and we got sparklers. Grandma Phil came and take them. Yeah, he gave us them. Yeah, and I've been with Daddy, not Mummy because she doesn't want to come out. And Grandma Phil couldn't get fireworks to put outside there. Yeah, but that's okay. We seen some. Go check out my 14 seconds clip. Yeah, showing the fireworks. It was so good. My PC, good. My favourite colour went up, but I didn't record it, but that's okay. You seen it. I didn't even see it as well, but you seen it, right, Olivia?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I'm sorry. It's another one. My dinner's almost done. Any fireworks? Oh, I seen another one. Okay, I'll see you when I finish my dinner. Bye! I have also forgot to mention that I held sparklers. Yeah. And it was so cool. I was spelling my name, and so does Olivia. And I put one in the ground. Yeah. Like, I threw it on the ground because, yeah, it's a bit scary. Yeah, I thought I was going to burn me and Olivia same. So, yeah. That was so cool. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm back. And I just had my dinner, which is fish cake and home chips. Toby's barking a lot. Yeah. And we've seen Eddie, yeah, my second cousin Eddie, yeah, at the bonfire, of course. Right now, guys, Bark and Toby. And you're watching TikTok, right, Olivia? Good. And Teletubbies, a girl, a boy, a girl, yeah, inside the Teletubbies guy's stomach. You can watch. Good for kids. And we put stuff in the fire, yeah, in Fairclough Road. And we put the piece of Olivia's pumpkin in the fire, right?
Yeah.
And some sticks. Right, Olivia? We did that?
Yes.
Good. I'm gonna have comfy things. Good. And I'm gonna do my bonfire night intro. Yeah. Now. Yeah, when I end this video. Put it all together. That's Harry's meal. Yep.
Go.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, Mummy. That's the meal.
Yeah.
Good. Kelly. For Harry. I'm going in here. Dark. Good. This is Grandpa's telly. I'm using it because Harry broke Olivia's telly and his. And we had to use it. My remote. This won't turn on. So we had to use this. And we can use this when it's on. Yeah, the Now TV stick. Here it is. Daddy's camera with it. Cool. Yeah. That's the half. Yeah, Harry did that. Cut it open. I've got to tell you something. Harry's legs were on there. And I saved him. Yeah, like a superhero. Oh, remember the time on my third vlog when I was 11? I took Olivia off there and I said, I'm a superhero now. Oh, yeah. And this is where I used to sound like, hello, I'm Liam. Hey, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's my cute voice, but now I sound like this. Yeah, my middle voice. There. Top, bottom, middle. Teletubbies speaking robots. Inside here. This is them. No telly. Yep. That's the clothing to smoothie. Yeah. For that. Milk. Oh yeah, milk. What babies drink. And I'm going downstairs to end. I'm going back downstairs to end the video. Do 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 do. Daddy used that to warm my car. Yeah. It's a kettle. It used to be hot, but no, not anymore. No. I'm going to school tomorrow, and it's Fishy Friday. Oh yeah, yummy. It's gonna be fun in Old school. Good. Barking Toby. Yesterday I did the Mongos video, and Nanny Linda that we dropped off. Good. Yeah. And then we get the Asda to get some chicken, spicy, yeah, and rice and salt and pepper. And I had to wait there and Nanny's and take some treats home. Yeah. My bag, we know. Yeah. Right there in the dark, Harry drew me my favourite colour in green. Yeah, remember? And look, Harry drew this in yellow. Good. Yeah. Cool. And the bus comes for me at 8 o'clock. But I'm still in school today. Yeah. And I made my rocket and my painting of fireworks. Cool. Yeah. Good. Hey, do you want to see it? Here it is. This is what I made in school. The boom, like that. Cool. And these graves. Here they are. And I made this bow. Good. And okay, I'm gonna put on there to make it easier to see, to show you guys. It's very hard to see. See my character? Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's awesome. Bark and Toby. And here's the rest to see. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have to show it if you want. I could just description it. Yeah. In case it's good. There's Olivia's old telly. You know Olivia? That's your old telly?
Yeah.
Yes. We know. The milk. Yeah. Give me the milk. Yeah. Yes. It's birds. And this is Coke. Yeah. A bottle. Go. Olivia's plate. Oh, I don't have to show everything. Yeah. Make it too long. I said I will make it too long. Yeah, I'll show some more. But I'm going to end the video right now. Yeah, okay. We can do it. Oh! This is one more I need to show you. Yeah. The category. So we can do Christmas list on my Christmas. Hi, Toby. There's Harry watching Peppa Pig, right, Mummy? Yes. He loves that. There's only chicken on their left, right, Mummy?
Yeah.
Yes. Because he's eating them, you know, Mummy? Yes. Now let's go back downstairs. Yeah, sorry I didn't record me going off so massive, but that's okay. We know I teleport the lights. You poo!
You guys can't see in the dark.
Oh yeah. I'm silly. Good. I'm gonna end it now, right, Mummy? Yes. Because, yeah. The time is now 8:50. AKA 2050. That's your TikTok video, Olivia?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Good. Cool. The post letter. Remotes. This bag. The balloon. Yeah, I'm wearing this. The black thing that I'm wearing is my school jumper. And this is my school shirt. Yeah, I put it in there. Do you want to see it? Last time. Yes. Here it is. And these are the legs of it. That's the black shoes. More fireworks. Yeah, you forgot to mention that it's there. Can't see. It's there. So awesome. Good. Wow. Awesome, isn't it? Yeah. There's a big one popped up and I forgot to mention it. And record it. But that's okay. You know I saw it with my own 2 eyes. But now for real, let's end it. Okay guys, if you're new to this channel, you should subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and if we get 100 subscribers, I'll do a video and yay! I got 100 subscribers! 100 subscribers! Yes, turn on notifications, subscribe to this channel, like I said, and like and comment this video, and I will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.